Whew. Ah. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brocco Fast. Of course, you know, when things happen, they always happen at the weirdest times, but went to start my wife's car to take my son to school today, and wouldn't you know it, the battery's completely dead. And this sucker went from starting the car to I just had to unlock it with the key after it's been on a tender all day. So that thing is gonzo. And we're supposed to get my wife our car's supposed to be in, our new car is supposed to be in next week. And wouldn't you know, the battery went dead right before it. So we get to go spend $200 to fix this bad boy just to trade it into the dealership. So gotta love that. But I'm on the way to Walmart to get a battery. So today we are going to show you how to install a battery on a Tahoe. Now I know people are gonna go, install a battery on a car, ooh, that's hard. Yeah, well, it's not very fun on this vehicle. We have to take some cross members off, or some cross bracing off. We've got to take off like 3 or 4 brackets. There's like 7 wires on this thing. It's not your normal, like, just lift it out and put it back in. It's a good little job. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. But before we do that, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below, join the team. Well, let's go get this battery and get started. Okay, here we go. We are here. We got the battery. This is all we have to take off. We got to take this bolt off. We got to take this bolt off. We got to take this off, this cover off. There's all these right here that have to come off. This is not a fun battery job. What I said is like true. Like getting this thing out and in is not going to be fun. But we got the new battery. Boom, H7. 3-year, it's a H7 94R. But what I was thinking, I don't want to give the dealership a brand new battery. Here's the truck. Truck has a battery. I'm thinking let's put that battery in the Tahoe. Let's take apart the Tahoe first and see how easy it is. If it's something that's just such a pain in the butt that I don't even want to do it again, we'll switch the batteries. But for today's video purposes, let's teach y'all how to do it the right way and get this battery disconnected and replaced in your 2015 to 2020 Tahoe. All right, let's start by taking this brace off. This is a 13. Brace removed. Okay, so this brace is down there. We need to take this. Obviously, this comes off. And now we gotta figure out how to get this off. But I got a screwdriver. You know, they make these things very difficult. Ta-da! Okay. So these are numbered. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna have to take, this is a ground, I think we're gonna have to take these off. We're gonna obviously disconnect this and the battery together. We gotta take this plate off, and that will enable us to get to that and get the battery out. So It is a 10 millimeter. I always do these by hand because it doesn't make sense to use power tools on this. Send that out of the way for now. There we go. There we go. Cover on it for now. Loosen this one just a little bit more. Okay. All right, our battery is officially disconnected. I don't like that that's on there like that. So in order for this plate to come off, we are going to have to disconnect these, I believe. So it is the 14. Use the 14. Oh. Ooh, it was close. All right, remember, 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Blue clip comes out. Let's try these little clips under here. All right, there's 2 black clips that have to come off. There's actually 3 black clips. 1 here, here, and 1 on the back side. I'm starting to think those didn't need to be removed, but they're out of the way. So we're going to sit this down. So you know what I mean, these clips have to come off. Again with our 14, down below, there's a bolt with a block on it. This is what keeps the battery down. That, and only that. Now for the fun part, getting it out. time to get messy. Woo. Ah. And this is what you're left with, so you can have an idea. All right, well, the battery is in. Okay, little secret, I did take it from the truck. So, it's a little smaller than the OEM one, but that's okay, because it still does everything we need to do. It's been in my truck for 2 years and it's been cranking and spanking. So, new battery is in. Let's get things a little buttoned up. So we're gonna take this. That's that piece that goes down here. It's got this little anchor spot. Make sure, obviously, the screw goes in and that the top of it is gripping the battery. Because if it's not gripping the battery, then it's not doing its job, right? So, can't have that. All right, she's tight. Okay. Next up, we need to get our fuse jammer control panel famer whammer on here. And luckily it just snaps into place like that. Make sure this is not touching yet. And this is the part we want to make sure we get correct. So you have your ground here, we have our cables here, and these bad boys. So this obviously gets clipped in here. Okay, that's in. I believe this got split. We did that one. These two. There, right? Get 4, 5, they have numbers on them, so 2 goes with 2, 4 goes with 4, 5 goes with 5. Pretty simple. Now don't forget this bad boy. A lot of people forget about that one. Very important. And get those finger tight. Finger tight, make it right. Just get those down a little bit. We use this very gently. Okay, like everything is on here. We've got a good stable. Let's get our ground on here. The battery works now. Here's the out of me. Okay, now the bar. Got our panel here. right, that is protected. We are good. Don't tighten them right away. Try to make sure all of them are secured. Okay, folks, as you can see, it's getting hot here, sweating, but battery is done. Look at her. You wouldn't even know I just put a new battery on it. Obviously the alarm went off. That means it works. We are gonna start it real quick, make sure everything is good. So start it, let it run for a little bit, make sure everything's getting power, and then you're good to go before closing up shop and get rid of all your tools and all that crap. So again, if you enjoyed the video, if you want to see some more fun, more car stuff, more everything, subscribe to Brock Go Fast. And I appreciate everybody watching. Hope this helps. If you got any questions, please ask. I'm happy to answer them for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Brock Go Fast.